Foster. Here, our course name is Techniques of Construction Planning, where we are going to learn the different techniques which is used for the construction planning. In our course, 7 different chapters are there. Among the 7 different chapters, Chapter 1 is Introduction to Planning, where we will learn what is planning, what are the different objectives and principles of planning, and what are the types of planning used in the construction project. Chapter number 2 is Techniques of Construction Planning, where we will first learn work breakdown structure. What is work breakdown structure and how to draw this work breakdown structure for our project. Then we discuss about the different techniques for the construction planning, and from this technique in the chapter number 2 we will learn Gantt Bar chart method and milestone chart method with example. Chapter number 3 is network. For a planning, especially for the construction planning, we should know how to draw a network. In the chapter number 3, we will learn what is network, how to draw network, what are the different rules for drawing the network, and what are the different types of events and activity involved in a network. And we will also take one example for drawing a network. Chapter number 4 is Critical Path Method. In this chapter, we will learn what is critical path method, what are the different steps involved in this method, how to estimate a time for the event and activity, what is float. Float is one of the most important section of this critical path method, and here we will take one example so that you can better understand this topic. Chapter number 5 is PERT, which is commonly known as Program Evaluation and Review Technique. In this chapter, we will learn what is PERT, how to solve an example by this PERT method, what are the 3 time estimate, what is slack, and we will also solve one example of this PERT. Chapter 6 is Precedence Network. In this section, we will learn what is Precedence Network, what are the different type of network, how to convert the AOA network to the AON network, and we will also solve some examples related to this precedence network. Chapter 7 is Line of Balance Technique. In this section, we will learn what is the LOB technique, what are the steps involved to solve this technique, and we will also solve one example.